start. It's a lock in here, okay? That's the Sony Xperia 5 and it has an FRP lock. To go into emergency information, okay, then you have to go to name owner and you have to tap on the profile and choose an image. Here you have to go into options and then you have to go to drive, hold it up, okay, then into permissions and you have to go into search and you have to search settings. In the settings you have to scroll down until you see here the, where is it, okay, here it is, okay, settings app info. Here you have to go open it. After opening it up you have to go to accessibility. In accessibility scroll down until you see the, is it, okay, go into ascent shortcuts. Here you have to ascent notifications. Here you have to go into the ascent notifications. Then you have to go see all apps, and in the Android setup you have to force stop it. Now go back again and scroll down until you see the Google Play services and you have to disable this thing. Go back and go back, okay, just go to where it started, skip everything. It will take a couple of seconds in getting your phone ready. Then don't copy. Okay, here it is, setup offline. So your FRP is now unlocked. Go into the name again in the profile and choose an image, and you have to do everything just like before to go into the settings, okay, because what you have done in now you have to do everything like that previously again. You have to go search for the apps and okay, you have to go settings and you have to open it. Now go into apps and notifications and here to see all the 73 apps, and you have to go search for the Android Studio and the Google Play services. First of all, Google Play services you have to enable it again, which you had disabled previously. So it's enabled. Now go back slowly, not too fast, and when you have done everything, it is done, okay, skip it up and set up offline, continue. So Google Play services, here you have to accept everything and you have to escape everything or you have to do anything, it's your choice, and it's done, okay. It will take a couple of seconds and you have this your phone ready. So that was a quick video to remove the FRP lock from the Sony Xperia 5.